heaven just knows what it was. Will I go back to the place where I belong? Everyone could break my heart, but I try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. You'll be my pleasure.
Hey, look who's here, it's your DCS, right back again. What is up, guys? I hope you all are doing fine. So in today's video, it is the Hot Wheels series once again, no surprise in that, and it's got 5 out of 10 in HW speed graphics. It's not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. This right here is an old school classic muscle car. Everybody knows this car. It's a very cool one. It's a 1968 Dodge Dart. Of course, who doesn't knows the Dodge Dart? It's a very common car too, and this is the Mopar edition one. It couldn't get any better. It's a very cool one. I like the classic design, the classic grills with that headlamps, really nice, and that large hood scoop, oh, so attractive. It's so damn nice, guys. And talking about the Dodge Dart, it is actually related to the Plymouth Barracuda Formula S, guys, cause why? It shares the same engine. That's why it's related. So yeah, the engine is also really powerful, guys. And yeah, it is a very amazing engine. And talking less about this car, let's just talk about the previous video I uploaded. It was the 19 Kia Stinger GT, the car from the present, and it was the Kia's flagship car. If you want to know more, check it out. It'll be up in the screen right here. You know, right here, it'll be popping up. So yeah, that was a really good Korean car. Yeah, so check it out. And moving on to the Dodge Dart, there were 2,112 models of this, which had the 383 cubic inch V8s, and 80 of them contained the Hemi engine, so it was really, really powerful, and they were restricted only for drag racing. You couldn't get that out on the streets. So that's how this car is, guys, the Dart is. So let's just go for the details. I want to see what's inside of it. So let's go for the unboxing first, then for the information. Here we go. Wow, guys, looking at the Dodge Dart, it's so damn nice. I really like the design. Compared to most of the muscle cars, this has a very macho front end. It's kind of, you know, like aggressive at the front. And also at the rear, even though it misses a lot of detailings like the tail lamp detailing and the exhaust, which I don't know where it is. And also it misses the headlamp detailing. Leaving all of that, it really looks nice. Like the decals covers it all up. Like the Mopar decal, the Dodge, the Goodyear tires, it's really nice. And of course, talking about the tires, it kind of looks, I mean, it is a common Hot Wheels tires, but still, it's kind of unique for this car. It's very nice. I don't know much about the tint, like, I guess, yeah, the black tint suits it, and also the black interior too. It's kind of empty over there. You know, at the rear, so can't say much about it, but rather than that, it's kind of nice. And this is the round look of it. Well, kind of misaligned and the, you know, the stripes, but still it's kind of nice. And this is how the bottom looks. Yeah, written there, 68 Dodge Dart. And yeah, so this is the round look of the car, guys. So yeah, let's just go for the information now. Let's know about this Dodge Dart. So now let's talk about the Dodge Dart, as it is the information of the 1968 Dodge Dart right here, the old school muscle car. So I just want to start off with the top speed, guys. Yeah, the top speed of this car is claimed to be 235 kilometers per hour. That's 146 miles per hour. That is a really good top speed. That is of the 440 spec engine, guys. And talking about the 0 to 60 time, it does it in 5.2 seconds, and that is also of the 440 spec engine. Well, moving on to the engine now. In the base, you have the 170 cubic inch 2.8 liter slant 6, guys. That is of the base. And moving on to the top, you get the 440 cubic inch 7.2 liter V8, guys. And the performance details, which I told earlier, that is of the V8 engine, guys. It's not of the slant 6. Well, time about the price. The price of this car is ranging from $40,000 all the way up to $100,000, because this car is pretty rare now. Well, time about the transmission, guys. At first you have the 3 or the 4-speed manual. You can choose between that, or if you're lazy to shift, you can go for the 3-speed automatic. That's left to you, guys. Well, time about its horsepower. In the 2.8 liter, you get 115 brake horsepower, but in the 7.2 liter V8, you get 375 brake horsepower. That is not a bad power. It is kind of decent. Time about the body style. The body style is a 2-door coupe, and you can also get it in a hardtop version or a convertible too. Moving on to the production, guys. The production actually began in 1958 and it ended up in 1976. Well, yeah, it is a pretty decent run. And going for the length of this car is 4,890 millimeters. Time about the width. The width of this car is 1,819 millimeters. And going for the weight, the current weight of this car is 1,418 kilograms. Not bad. It is kind of good. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the end of the information. Now it's time for the ratings. Well, looking at all of its performance details and its lack of detailing, I give it a 7 out of 10, guys. So, yeah, kind of disappointing, not so good. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the end of the video, as I've ended up the information too. Just tell me if I've missed anything. Well, alright, guys. I'll see you all next week. If you're new, just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned. Bye-bye now. Enjoy your weekend.